What do we mean by perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a shape. Its SI unit is the meter, and subunits are the millimeter, centimeter, and kilometer. In our next slide, we will show you how to measure the perimeter of a rectangle. Please note that the length of a small square is 1 centimeter, and we are now going to count the number of small squares around the whole rectangle. At first, from left to right, we have 8 small squares, implying 8 centimeters. Going down, then moving up, we have 6 centimeters. Adding up all the sides, we get the whole perimeter, that is 28 centimeters. Let us move on to the next slide. Let's now work out the perimeter of these rectangles and verify which one are the same perimeter. We proceed as usual, which is counting the squares around the rectangles. We can now conclude that the blue, orange, and yellow rectangles have the same perimeters. Let's now find out the perimeter of the rectangle in this slide. Add up all the length and breadth measurements. 12 centimeter plus 12 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, which will give us 34 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the square? Recall that a square has 4 equal sides. Yes, you are right. The perimeter is 40 centimeters. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Yes, the correct answer is 31 centimeters. Now, let's find the perimeter of this irregular shape. We will proceed by finding the total length around the irregular shape. Let's find the perimeter of this surface if each small square has a length of 1 centimeter. We will proceed by finding the total length around the figure. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. The perimeter of this irregular shape is 24 centimeters. Now let's find the perimeter of these shapes. They are not drawn to scale. The first one is 18 centimeters. The second figure, the perimeter is 22 centimeters. And the third figure, the perimeter is 28 centimeters. Now, kids, we are going to find the perimeter of this L shape. The perimeter is 3 plus 1.5 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4.5 which will give you 19 meters. Okay, now we will proceed to find area of figures. Let's define area. Area is a measure of how much space there is on a flat surface. We have got 3 different figures showing you different areas. The first one is 1 meter squared, the second figure 1 centimeter squared, and the third figure 1 millimeter squared. Now, we will show you how to calculate the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is given by the product of the length and the width. Here on this slide, we see how to calculate the area of a rectangle of length 5 meters and width 3 meters. The area is given by 5 times 3 meters, which will give you 15 meters squared. Find the area of the rectangle below. The answer is 54 centimeters square. Let's now have a look at some common examples of rectangles in our daily life. A football field 100 meters long and 50 meters wide has an area of 5,000 meters square. A basketball field 30 meters long and 15 meters wide will give us an area of 450 meters square. A rugby field 120 meters long and 40 meters wide has an area of 4,800 meters square. A playing card 8 centimeters long and 5 centimeters wide has an area of 40 centimeters square. A pool table 210 centimeters long and 90 centimeters wide has an area of 18,900 centimeters square. In the next slide, we will see how to calculate the area of a square. We must not forget that all the sides of a square are equal. The area will be 9 meters times 9 meters. This will give you 81 meters square. Now consider the rectangle shown in this slide. What is its area? 60 centimeters square. You got it right. If you have noticed, you will see that the rectangle has been divided into 2 equal parts by the diagonal line. The area is 30 centimeters square. The area of a triangle is given by half times length times height. Now let us try this question. What's the area of the triangle shown? Right, the answer is half times 8 times 4, which will give you 16 centimeters square. But what if we want to calculate the area of an irregular shape? What if the shape has more than 4 sides? can we do length times width? Let's find the area of this L shape. To facilitate our task, we will divide the shape into two rectangles, namely A and B. We will then find the total area of the L shape. Area A is equal to 4.5 times 3, which will give us 13.5 meters square. Area B is equal to 3 times 2, which will give us 6 meters square. The total area is equal to 13.5 plus 6 equal to 19.5 meters square. Let's now have a look at things to remember in today's lesson. We have learned about perimeter and how it is measured, area and how it is calculated. Then we have seen how to measure the perimeter and calculate the area of different shapes in our daily life. Hope kids you have enjoyed this video. See you next time for more fun. Goodbye.